Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how I'm create this beautiful effect with yellow and purple colors. Let's keep watching! I start with yellow pastel gel polish, and to make it brighter, after when I cure it, I add little bit of very bright paint gel. Just remember we are using paint gel to make a color brighter, and you don't use a lot of product, you use only little bit just to cover it, make it smooth and make it bright. After curing, I prepare all my paint gels, so I use it peach color, I will use it purple color and dark purple. So peach color I use from my paint gel collection, and purple color and dark purple color I will use it Жёстого paint. For gel paint application, I will use sponge and I will smooth very nicely on the palette and apply on the nail. First, I'm start with the middle on the nail, and after make sure around your sponge you have not a lot of product and you like kind of blend it on the nail. Just careful, don't cover all yellow color. We need apply only on the middle. When my nail is curing, I am so long prepare my Жёстого paint. You see, I love to store my Жёстого paint on the palette because it have a small different containers. Sometimes they start to be leaking, and for me it's not comfortable open after close. With the palette, I store like that already about a year. I just use a cabinet where it's not light and it's where it's not hot, far from the sun. So, and it's perfect. You can see it's fresh like yesterday, and its colors work completely perfect. Sometimes it have like separating, like color and clear color, but before you are apply, you just mix it with brush and you are start working with this amazing product. How you can see, I carry on to apply colors, and now we go from lighter to darker. So I'm use first a lighter purple and another one is dark purple. So every application it have to be smaller area and smaller area and smaller area. So we work from the biggest area and come to smaller. And last layer it will be dark color. After when I finish with my layers and I finish curing, I'm apply my top coat. I'm like this effect with matte top coat, with shiny top coat as well. It's look nice. So you can see when I'm apply, actually what it will look like if you apply normal shiny top coat. But I prefer specifically on this design, I prefer matte effect. To make this design even more perfect, we are apply some paint gel in black color. In this point I have a liner gel, what it don't need top coat, and I use small brush 7mm. For me it's very easy to work, and what I like about this brush, it's have a lid. All my brushes, most of them don't have a lid, and for me it's big trouble because sometimes it's falling from the table, or I'm rushing and not put correctly to the store. So like that, I know my brush is safe. Let's be honest. And last moment, I'm apply some nice cute flowers. So these flowers, and actually most of my designs what I'm applying on the nail, like store 3D, some 3D designs, some metal deco, I'm use my special gel glue for all this decoration. Just remember, we are not apply too much glue, otherwise it's not gonna cure it. So you are apply amount what exactly we need. Or we don't want as well it's look like messy, so it's always better to add it more than apply too much and after wipe it and wipe it and wipe it. So first layer I'm apply some nice flowers, and in second layer then I'm apply already some stones or some small decoration on top like macro beads to make more interesting effect. Ta-da! So now my nails it's ready for a pictures. I think it's the best part of it. And all the product what I use, you can find the link under this video. I hope you enjoy it and I see you in next tutorial.